When it comes to rotator cuff repairs, you want the best solution for your patients. Surgeons shouldn't have to choose between efficiency and efficacy. Now they don't have to, thanks to BioBrace RC. Faster, stronger, smarter augmentation for rotator cuff repair. With secure suture-based fixation and seamless technique integration for streamlined augmentation. BioBrace RC leverages the trusted dependability of sutures, enhancing repair strength. Designed to effortlessly incorporate into existing surgical techniques, eliminating the need for specialized fixation. Integrated suture management and passing simplify the workflow, enabling implantation in under 10 minutes. Don't settle for 40% re-tear rates. BioBrace augmented rotator cuff repairs demonstrated a 94% healing rate in high-risk patients. The BioBrace reinforced bioinductive implant uniquely harnesses the regenerative properties of collagen while providing immediate strength to protect the repair during the vulnerable healing period. BioBrace provides biomechanical protection through load sharing alongside the tendon. With BioBrace, patients saw better range of motion, reduced pain scores, and improved functional outcome scores at 3, 6, and 12 months post-surgery. The future of rotator cuff repair isn't coming. It's already here. Are you ready to elevate your procedures? Stop waiting, start healing, trust BioBrace RC.